Hey guys, Blind and Proud, and today me and my friends are gonna go play some blind hockey. I'm visiting Denver right now. It's about 6:45 in the morning, and I'm waiting on a light rail. So hope to see you guys there.
RDD expiring. Go to www.rdd-denver.com.
to 18th California. Stand clear. The doors are closing.
Sure. Okay, so right now me and Buck are getting off the bus and we're walking down the sidewalk and we're walking up to an intersection. It's a really busy intersection, and I would say one street is about 8 lanes across and the other one is about 4. We are approaching the curb now and we're waiting on our parallel traffic. I give Buck the command to cross the street. And right now we are crossing. We're crossing the 4-lane road. And he's almost to the other side. And we're to the other side. And then we go to the right and we walk down another long sidewalk to get to the next intersection. So the reason why I did not film at the station was because it was really loud. I had to cross a highway with a sky bridge, and it's a really loud train station, and I had to catch a bus, and that's the reason why I didn't film. It's really hard for me to film whenever I am getting off the light rails, so that's why I just didn't film. So right here we are approaching the intersection. Doc, can you find the pole? Find the pole. Find the pole. Let's see here. Okay. So this way. Find the curb. Good job. Fuck. I don't know if we can go and there's no traffic. This is so difficult. Forward. Okay, they're stopped, but I don't know if I'll have enough time to cross. We're gonna wait one more cycle, and I'm gonna push the button again. Find the pole. Find the pole. Okay, find the curb. go. Find the curb. Find the curb. Find the curb. Come on. Find the curb. Good boy. Good job. Okay, now we gotta cross the street again. Forward. Let's go to the curb. Come on, to the curb. To the curb, let's go. Good boy. Good job, Becky. Forward. So we can't go that way. And we have to go on the back side of this building. Forward. There's just no sidewalk and I gotta go on the back side. I get lost back here. Come on back. Right there. Let's find the sidewalk. Good boy, let's go. I get so lost back here. I wish I could just, that they would make a sidewalk next to the road, but they didn't. That's okay. Hopefully we can still figure out where to go here. Hawk, where are you taking me? Oh, did you find a curb? Good job, you found a curb. Okay, let's go left, go right. I think we go this way. Not really sure. We're in a parking lot. You okay, bud? Go right. I want to say back here should just be a service road to the sports complex that I'm going to. Hopefully. I don't know. Oh, Rocky. I'm so lost. I am so lost. Did you find it? Good job. Let's go forward. Mike, can you go forward? Come on. Can you go around? Somehow? Yeah. Come on. Oh, I saw a truck. I don't even know where I am. I'm in a parking lot. I know that. It's as far as we've got. So I don't see or hear anybody to help me. Great. I think I hear somebody to the right. Go right. Excuse me. Could you help me?
Hi.
Could you help me? I'm trying to find the door.
Oh yeah, sure. The door. Where you want to go into the
sports complex.
the sports team? Okay.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Forward. Come on. Where are you at?
Yeah.
There. Good job. Can you follow?
Right in here. Okay.
There should be like a main entrance.
Yeah, that's where I'm taking you.
Oh, okay.
This gentleman's got the door for us. Coming up.
Thanks for helping me.
You're very welcome.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, forward.
Do you want to go upstairs to the avalanche?
I'm here for take a shot.
Take a shot?
It's at 8:45.
You gotta go this way, man.
Okay.
I'll show you. Go to the front desk with me. Hello, dog. Let's go to this way. Dog.
I should be meeting somebody here, and I don't know where they are.
Okay, well, I'll take you to the front desk.
Okay.
And they'll help you.
I don't know if they're gonna be outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.